Welcome to the Classics Library. In this video, we'll be showing you how to use our self-service machine to borrow and return books. First, let's go through how to borrow. Once you've found the books you want to take out, bring them to the self-service machine by the front desk near the entrance. Press the button that says Borrow and scan your university card barcode under the red line. Then place your books on the pad. You can put more than one on at a time. Make sure all the names of the books appear on the screen. Press Finished and you're all done. You can choose to have a receipt or not. Now we'll show you how to return. Press the Return button on the machine, no need to scan your card, then place your books on the pad. Again, you can place more than one on at a time, making sure they all appear on the screen. Once you see them all on the screen, press Finished and place them on the reshelving trolley. If the book has been recalled, you may need to place it in the box under the machine. You can also use the self-service machine to check your account or renew items you currently have on loan, but it is much easier to renew your items, make and check reservations via iDiscover. As always, if you need any assistance, please ask a member of library staff and we'll be happy to help you. All undergraduates, graduates and university staff are eligible to borrow from the library. Undergraduates can borrow up to 5 books at a time. Staff and postgraduates can borrow up to 15 items at a time. All loans will automatically renew until your account expires or someone recalls the item. Our short loan books are kept behind the desk and they can only be borrowed for 24 hours. Please ask at the desk for short loan books and pamphlets which can be borrowed from our rolling stack.